I have some basics on just, how to for if we're more beginning gardeners, and it's an easy thing to remember. What do you want to take away? And those three things are dead. Take away anything that's dead, that's not helping and it doesn't look good. Damaged, if it's bent or sad, or direction. And by direction, that means several things. One of them is it hitting you in the face when you walk by? I mean, come on, we don't need that. Get rid of it. Is it going opposite to where you think it should go so that the aesthetic qualities of your shrub or tree are not looking so good? Are they growing upwards, downwards, inwards? Are they rubbing or crossing? So all of those direction things are good reasons to take something away.
I think the rubbing and the crossing is probably the first place to start, isn't it? When you're looking at, maybe let's say the dead and the diseased would be first, then rubbing, crossing, and then
You've taken
direction.
away my teacherly 3Ds.
Okay, wait, rubbing, crossing. Where is that? Where does the rubbing, crossing come in your Ds?
Dead, damaged, direction. Now, what sort of direction? These are subtopics. Do you know what an outline is? In the subtopic.
Well, you don't. I've looked at your notes,
We're
girl.
indenting. No, underneath direction. Is it going the wrong way? Is it hitting you in the head? Is it, rubbing against another branch? Is it a water spout that's, a beautiful branch that's coming this way and it's going like that because it's a water spout? All those direction things are encompassed in my third D. Now, you can illuminate us further with different letters if you want.
That's fine. I cannot come up with a D word for that. Damn. Damn, I need to cut those.